Alright, they want us to use the three limits given as they approach 3. F of x approaches 2, g of x approaches -1, and h of x approaches 4. They want us to find a, b, c, d. So a is the limit as x approaches 3 of the three functions added up. Using the algebraic limit laws, we can actually split them up. We can now use the algebraic limit laws, the individual limits given, and add them up individually. And it will give us the exact same answers. So we're going to have 2 plus -1 plus 4. This is going to give us our final answer of 5. Alright, similarly with b, we can take the limits and find them individually, and that'll give us the exact same answer as if we took the limit of all three of them being subtracted together. So this is going to be 2 minus -1 minus 4. This is going to give us -1. Similarly, we can use the algebraic limit laws when the functions are being multiplied together. We can also split them into 3 separate limits and then multiply their limiting values. So in this case, we're going to have 2 times -1 times 4. This is going to give us -8. Alright, for this last one, they're giving us this quotient with a sum on the top and a difference of 2 functions on the bottom. And a couple of the functions have a scalar multiple. The algebraic limit laws still let us use the individual limits of each part and then take them all together at the end. Alright, now we can do each one individually and then find the quotient after. So the limit as x goes to 3 of f of x is going to be equal to 2. 2 times the limit of g of x as x approaches 3 is going to be -1. 3 times the limit as x approaches 3 of h of x is going to equal 4. Minus 4 times the limiting value of g of x, which is going to be -1 again. Well, 2 minus 2 equals 0, and 12 minus -4 is going to be 16. However, this is just going to give us a limit of 0.